Hello everybody and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to get the activation code from a Steam game that is for Ubisoft games. So you have to go to your library here and you have to find that game specifically, the game that is compatible with Ubisoft Connect. For example, imagine that Grand Theft Auto San Andreas is for Ubisoft Connect. You have to right click it, go to manage, and here you will see an option that says activation code. When you press it, you will find the code and you will be able to use it on Ubisoft, and then you have access to that game. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and remember that there are more tutorials in my channel for Steam or anything. So goodbye and remember to subscribe. So goodbye and easy way.